Hello you guys. Winter's coming, so if you don't ride your scooter a lot, so it's a good way to keep your battery maintained during the winter season because you don't use it that much. So what I recommend is you buy a battery maintainer. It's somewhere between maybe $10 to $30. I got this one for $25. So now the battery maintainer, they also call trickle charge. This is a very low power charge, so if your battery is completely dead, then this won't bring it back. Okay, just for sure, just so you guys know. So this is only for maintaining the battery, which is if your battery is kind of low and you don't ride for the whole winter and you're afraid your battery gonna die, so you just plug it in and it will keep putting a little bit of charge to the battery, so it's maintaining it, so the batteries won't go out on you when you start riding again. And last year I used this for my scooter because I didn't ride it for like maybe a month or two, so I just leave this on and it's just doing the charge for me. So when I need to ride it, it's my battery is good to go, so I don't have to worry about a dead battery. So my scooter is 2 years and a half already, and I'm still on the original battery, and it's good. So it's very easy. Let me show you how to do it. So when you bought this, they come with the two connectors connect straight into your battery, and one of them is coming out to the port. So what I did is I put the extended cable out here so I can plug it in easily. So let me plug it in. So yeah, I'll plug it in already. I know my battery is still good because I just rode it this scooter yesterday for about 60 miles for my hiking trip every weekend, so I know the battery is still good. But like I said, this is only for if for the winter, if you decide not to ride your scooter for a couple of months and you need your battery is fully charged, and get ready when you need to ride it, and this is what you need to do. So you just plug the other end to the power outlet. So when you plug it in, like mine is fully charged, that's why it's green. If yours doesn't go fully charged, this light is gonna turn to red. That means charging. When it's turning green like this one, that means it's good. That means the battery don't need any more charge. So I know my battery is still good because I just ride it yesterday, like I told you before. So that's why it's turning. It looked like it's yellow, but actually it's green. So it's turning green. That means it's fully charged, so I don't have to worry about the battery. Like I said, the output is very low. The 12 volt, 1.5 amp. So it's not that much. Usually for a regular charger, it should put in at least 3 amp, and this one's only 1.5 amp. But if you want a maintainer, then you don't need a high ampage to maintain the battery. High maintenance, high amp is for charging the battery if your battery is completely dead and recharge it. But just for maintaining it, then you don't need to. So I would definitely get this one for backup, in case you need it. You never know, like if you go vacation for a month, and you might just plug this in, so it's charged for you. So you come back and keep your battery fresh and charge it, and so you don't have to worry about your batteries dying. Also, is keep your battery in good shape, because scooter battery is a very small battery, so it's, when it's go out, it's pretty hard to get it back. So I hope you enjoyed this short video. I hope you found that helpful, since it's winter season is coming, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright? Okay, bye.